A literature is preserved if you can take the literature, read through it, and you understand who the literature is about, what was said by that person to someone else, who the other people involved in the literature are, what timeline the literature belongs to, what location the literature, does the literature belong. One second. Sorry, one second. Hey. Can you bring the camera, please, brother? Calm down. Excuse me, don't drag him. No. Gentlemen, no. I'm you. Excuse me, sir.
You threw the first punch.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Would you like to?
Do you really want to for stealing my guys, the sir. Hey,
are you kidding us, sir? Excuse me, sir. Hello. Are you kidding me? This is ridiculous. Excuse me, sir. Hey, hello. Officer Fletcher, please. Sai. 1 second. Sai. Please. Listen. 1 second. Sai. Ignore me. The first question you need to ask: why have they put a hand on you? Justify and do anything, please. Sai, this is serious. Why did they do this?
And the guy who attacked.
who is
Ridiculous.
They see what happened, and he was trying to
Sai, please be with Sai. Please be here. I need to go to the police officer. Please come. Anyway, I'm standing. This is a public place. I'm going to don't touch me, sir. Don't touch me, sir. Please don't touch me. This is Speaker's Corner. Excuse me, sir. Can I have your name and badge number? Please come over. You touch me. Introduce yourself. Listen to me carefully.
Step back.
You touched me already. I need your name and badge number first. Excuse me, sir. If you can please come and introduce yourself, because no, you touched me already. And therefore, please come here, introduce yourself. Excuse me, sir, I'm going to complain. Is there a senior police officer here? Who is the senior here, sir? Who is the senior officer here? Are you kidding me? Excuse me, sir. I am demanding right now. You're touching me again.
Step back from me.
You have touched me multiple times, pushed me multiple times. I need to know who you are.
Okay,
I really need to know who you are.
You go over there and I'll wait for me there.
I'm not going anywhere. You pushed me multiple times. Introduce yourself. Because you pushed me already. Introduce yourself. Give me details and then move on. Very important. May I please know who you are?
I've dealt with this matter. I will talk to you.
If you hadn't pushed me, I would be happy with that explanation. You have pushed me multiple times. I need this information now, sir. This gentleman has pushed me.
No, that's what I was actually live streaming that same angle.
Sure, thank you. This is ridiculous. You let a criminal go away and you do this to.
I can't deal with this matter because all I hear is you're shouting away. So I'm going to be quiet.
If you can, excuse me, sir, if you can ask us, we may provide information.
Yes.
Instead of pushing us around, please ask.
What I've asked you to do is step back and we come and speak to you in a minute. But you won't do that. You insist upon yourself.
You pushed me. Is this clear to you? You pushed me. Don't nod away, sir. This will be a complaint for you. Behave in an unbiased manner. One second. Behave.
Stop lying.
Don't nod to Muslims here. Please don't. Please don't nod to Muslims.
a liar. He's a liar. Liar, 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 liar. He's a liar.
Safir. What's the name of the officer here? The No, he was nodding when after he has pushed me. Can I speak to you, please, sir? I know. But this gentleman, who is your compatriot?
He's a liar. Trust me. I saw him.
He-
I saw him. That guy touched him. That's why he didn't do nothing. That guy. He's a liar. He's a far away over there. He's a far away.
I don't know what's going on. It's
Some
a thing,
liar,
right?
man. He's a
Everyone's
liar,
shouting,
man.
everyone's screaming. I have no idea
He's
what's
a
going on.
liar.
So, trying to figure out what's going on.
I
No,
saw
he didn't
part.
say lie. He's a liar.
Okay, I will speak to you separately.
He's a liar.
I saw what happened.
Everyone else telling me what's happened. So how do you know what's going on?
You are a liar. Stop lying to the police. Stop lying to the
All-
police. Stop lying. Liar. 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 Stop
No,
lying
that's
to the
fine.
police.
That's fine. All because the gentleman, who is your fellow officer, nodded to this gentleman after he shouted. If you had acted unbiased in an unbiased manner, it wouldn't have encouraged him. Don't nod.
Proof. He's a
Before
liar.
you get information,
He's a
don't
liar.
nod to people. Don't nod.
You're a liar.
It's an evidence
You're a
for
liar.
you not being unbiased. Thank you.
Everybody.
Thank you. Come and push me, and he calls me a liar. He nods.
Step back. You haven't done so.
You pushed me.
Yes, I did.
You did.
I did.
And therefore, you have assaulted me.
No. I've asked you
It
to
doesn't
step back.
matter whether you're a police officer or
It
not.
does
You
matter.
assaulted
Law.
me, sir.
Okay, I've asked you to step back.
We
You
will
haven't.
try and see
Right,
if
okay,
it
we
matters
will.
or not.
We will.
You have assaulted me. Thank you very much. If you can please be on your way, that will be marvelous. Please be on your way, that will be marvelous. I don't see you as an unbiased officer. After pushing me, not into a Muslim man's chant. Not interested. Sorry, thank you.
Liar! 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 Liar!
So here, there are a number of witnesses here. There are camera recordings here.
You are a liar.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
You liar.
Don't touch me.
You liar.
Don't touch me. 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 You're coming to me. Coming to me.
You are the one who's coming
Coming to me. Don't touch. Thank you. Can you please bring me? Can you please bring me?
Incredible, Jesus to the world. He said that it's not one.
Officer, can I please apologize? I need your. I know. He is a public servant. Please don't mind. He is not a private asset. He is not a private asset. He is a public servant. Thank you very much. Can I please have your name and badge before you leave? Excuse me, sir. Can I please have your name and badge number before you leave? Excuse me, sir. Can I please have your name and badge number before you leave? No, please. I'd like you to stop. I'd like to get your name and badge number before you leave, sir. Thank you. Please. Excuse me, sir. I just need your name and badge number. If I can get your name and badge number, sir, that'll be marvelous. Can I just get your name and badge number? Wait. I just need to read. Don't move on, please. There you go. Please wait. Please wait. 1265 AW. Can I have your name? Name Constable Fletcher. Thank you very much. I would be very keen. I would be very keen to find out.
Liar! Liar!
Listen.
And he's giving you a shoulder number. You don't need to keep following him.
Okay, can I please say something to you, sir? While I was struggling to get that, if you were to finish your public duties, you would have helped me get that first.
You're a liar!
The gentleman,
He's giving you his name and shoulder number, yeah?
He's a
no,
That's all you
liar!
need from him. So you do not need to keep following
no,
him.
that's not true. That's not true, sir.
Yes, it
Please
is.
listen. Excuse me, sir.
Right.
I am me, you are you.
Yes.
Don't tell me what I have in my mind.
You're
If you
liar,
want to
man.
know,
Shut up,
ask.
man.
I can explain.
Why are you following him around the
I'll let you know. Please listen.
I'm listening.
I didn't follow him around the park. I was speaking to some other officers earlier.
Yeah.
Only now I went to him asking for name and
liar.
badge number.
You're
When I asked him for name and badge number, he already was running,
Right.
which is not a good show for a police officer. And the reason I went to him to ask his name and badge number was very simple. My friend, who is a Christian preacher,
liar.
was assaulted.
Liar!
His property was in the process of being stolen,
Liar!
being taken away.
He's a liar!
As it was being stolen and taken away, he was trying to go to recover that because none of you is keeping order at the park, evidently, and therefore he wanted to help himself.
Liar!
help himself and went after. While he went after, he was assaulted multiple times.
You're a liar.
No police officer. Listen, please.
He's
1
a
second.
liar.
Please listen.
Cut up.
No police officer was there to
He's
help
a
him.
liar.
Even though a couple of the officers, including the gentleman, Constable Fletcher, was informed carefully hours ago. Standing there, he was told people are harassing the same gentleman for hours.
Don't believe him.
He didn't move.
He have no proof. He's a fucking liar. He's a liar.
So, very simply, sir, assaulted, already a victim, and the worst was yet to come. Constable Fletcher, while Sai, my friend, was trying to gather his stability, Constable Fletcher went to him and manhandled him, ignoring the age, ignoring the fact that Constable Fletcher has no details whatsoever. He went to arrest him without giving any justification, no reasoning.
Chap wearing the camo.
Sorry again.
This chap wearing the camo top, isn't it?
Yeah, the camouflage. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, he went to arrest him. He manhandled him, tried to arrest him. I'd like to find out on what basis Constable Fletcher wanted to arrest Sai. Simple. You can't just try and arrest someone with no reason whatsoever when you were standing there, when events were happening here. You can't do it. But if this is what you do at the park, you would much rather be not at the park. You ignore and let perpetrators of violence run away, and you go after victims and harass them even more. This is shameful.
Obviously, when there's a fight going on, we can't tell immediately who's the perpetrator. and who's
Sure.
the victim.
And if you were there, sir, I completely understand.
that?
Please listen.
Unfortunately, there are only two of them there because we were looking for a child who went missing. Okay? So that's why there are only two officers.
And
There's
so-
two officers. How many of you are there? Are here? What? 100?
Many.
150?
Maybe.
And you see a group of people fighting. How are they going to know who's in the wrong, who's
Exactly.
in the right? If they see someone fighting and throw a punch, they're obviously going to try and stop that, aren't they?
Sure.
Okay?
So Constable Fletcher should have come there and stopped him. If he had stopped him, I would be perfectly happy. I'd go and shake his hand, and say thank you very much. You know what he did?
What did he do?
He went and manhandled the victim as he was trying to gather his stability, wanted to arrest him. You yourself explained me very precisely that none of the constables would have had any clue as to what was happening.
So that's the point. He does not know at that point that he's an apparent victim of an assault.
And therefore, he
He's
shouldn't
seen
have
him
tried to
involved in a
arrest.
fight.
He should have tried to gather information, not try to
No,
arrest.
because if people are actively fighting each other, you can't just stand there taking notes saying, "Oh, who's the victim?" You've got to stop the
So
fight,
you would let
haven't you?
one run away
Well,
and
we can't-
try and arrest
if
the other
there's
one?
one
Is that what you
person,
do?
You can't grab 10 people if one of you, can you?
Sure, sir.
You've
Would
got-
you
you've
want
got
to
make
arrest? Situation, would you want to arrest?
You've got to make a split decision on who to go for, haven't you?
And arrest?
Yeah.
And arrest?
He isn't arrested yet. Is he under arrest?
He.
He's under arrest, is he?
One second.
Yeah.
I can show you. Maybe if Sai comes here, he was trying to put the handcuff on him.
Handcuffing isn't arresting.
What is handcuffing?
Handcuffing is a detention.
What is it?
It's a way of restricting someone's movement.
You can't restrict someone.
Yes, you can.
There's someone's
Yes,
freedom.
yes, you
You
can.
can?
You
Okay,
can.
sir.
Yeah.
That's fine. Even then,
Handcuff does not mean arrest.
sure. That's I don't know that.
9 times out of 10 when you handcuff someone, they're under arrest, but you don't have to arrest someone to use handcuffs.
Sure. I don't know that particular
Especially-
detail.
No, especially if there's a fight, yeah, and we don't know who the victim or suspect is, handcuff them, takes that risk away. Yeah?
Sure. I didn't understand that particular detail, but what I would say was, Sai, who he must be in his 60s, 70s, is a reasonably aged man.
Yeah.
That's not the way to treat when you don't have information. Beyond that, if the officer had his video recording at that time, he even said that he knows that Sai is the perpetrator of the violence.
Right.
I'd be interested to find out where he got his information from, because the reason I want to know is because he said that explicitly, and he is the same officer who was standing there along with another officer a couple of hours earlier when already violence was going on. He didn't come to help. The same officer was perfectly happy standing by the
That's
sideline.
not right. There was a punch up in there, and we got rid of both of them who were involved in it. So that's not right. We did resolve that.
Maybe some other thing. What I'm talking about, this Sai. Sai is persistently harassed at Speaker's Corner. The gentleman Sai, with a number of, there are even cases that has gone through court already. I'm mainly talking about Sai right now. So I'm perfectly happy if you're willing to keep peace, sir.
I'm going to leave it as this. You
Sure.
explain your side.
Sure.
I've explained why he's done what he's done. You've got his name, you've got Sean, but you do not need to keep following him and going up to him. Okay?
Excuse me, sir, I don't do this. Please don't.
I'm not saying, but from when I came, you were walking up to him after he given you.
Excuse me, sir. I would like to. If you do something bad to me, I would come ask you for your name and badge
But
number.
that's done now, isn't it? It's done.
Please
You've got his
listen.
name
Please
and
listen.
surname.
Please listen. Please listen.
I'm going to go now.
I know.
I've had quite
But
a
before
lengthy-
that,
I've had a
before that,
lengthy discussion with you,
sure,
haven't I?
sure,
It's been quite
sure.
civil.
But I don't.
I need to go and do other things.
Absolutely,
I'm
I would let you go.
because I'm not
I
part
would
of the
just
corner,
want to make
am I?
sure statements made are accurate. I didn't go. I'm not following people around. I'm not interested. I have too many more important things to do. I'm just saying there are a couple of officers terribly unfair today. I'll make a complaint. So please don't tell me I'm following after. I've just wanted to get name and badge number, which I have
I'm
now.
just saying, you have that now.
I have
So
now.
Do with those users what you need to do.
I'm a
Okay?
Christian,
All
so
right,
I don't
thank you very much.
harass beyond that. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your kind help today.